Hello, PokeTubers, and welcome back to part 2, opening a Hail Blizzard booster packs. For this, I'm going to be opening up one pack. Just one. But it's going to be pretty epic, because these packs are pretty epic. Come out. We have Bird Thingy, Litwick, Deerling, Amoonguss, and Sleeping Darmanitan. I guess I'll open one more, guys. Just one more. EX. Man, I keep messing this up. There you go. Alright, here we go. We got... Let me take this off. Vanilla, Bisharp, Pidove, and a Groudon EX. Another double colorless energy. Wow. That's nice. Thanks for watching part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. It's awesome.